How's it going, everyone? So today I'm going to show you a daily workout for a slim body. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, if you're interested in online personal training from me, simply comment below in the comment section. I will get back to you guys with more details. First exercise is going to be jumping jacks, you guys. Jumping jacks, crazy good exercise to do. Now, this workout, I recommend doing each exercise for exactly 1 minute. I was going to say 2 minutes, but 1 minute is going to fry you guys. Trust me, 1 minute, you guys are going to be very, very tired. So first exercise, jumping jacks, do it for 1 minute. Second exercise that we're going to do is we're going to do squats. So squats, I love doing these, compound movement. I recommend these in a lot of my videos because they work, you guys. Simply, they work. So do your squats, do them for exactly 1 minute. This is really, really gonna burn some fat, you guys. So again, 1 minute of the squats. Next exercise we're going to do is gonna be one of my favorites. I recommend it in a lot of my videos because it does work if you're trying to get six-pack abs. That's going to be flutter kicks. So do 1 minute of flutter kicks as well. After that, we're going to go back to a basic compound movement. We're going to do 1 minute of push-ups, you guys. So get into a nice push-up position, back straight, contract your glutes, contract your abs, and start doing some push-ups, you guys. This is a good push-up position to be in. And then just keep doing push-ups. Do that for 1 minute straight. You guys can tell right now, I'm a little bit out of breath and I was just showing you the demonstration. Make sure you have a timer on your phone. Put each one for 1 minute. Once you see the timer, 1 minute's done, go on to the next exercise. This is gonna be 4 minutes long. Trust me, you're gonna be out of breath when you're done this. Trust me, guaranteed, you will be out of breath. You will be sweating. Once you're done this, what you can do is take a 1 to 2 minute break and then redo the circuit again. Do that 3 times. This is what I get some of my clients to do that have no access to equipment. They want to lose fat. I get them to do little circuits like these. They are completely demolished. And I've even had a few clients that have texted me, emailed me, and they've been like, I'm not doing this. This is so easy. This is simple. Like, it's not going to burn me any weight. And I told them, you know what? Try this circuit out. If you're not tired, if you're not out of breath, if you're not sweating after you do the circuit 3 times, I'll give your money back, full refund. They texted me after, they were demolished. They couldn't even finish the workout. So they said, it looks deceptive. Trust me, you're looking to get a slim body, this will work. Now, if you can't do it for the full 1 minute, I recommend doing it for 30 seconds, you guys. And then again, just do each exercise 30 seconds and just keep working your way up until you can do it for a minute. End of video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please like the video and share it. Thanks again.